2019 Kia Optima with the 2.4 four-cylinder engine. We've just performed an oil change and now we're going to reset the oil life. To do this, go ahead and start your engine utilizing these pads right here. Go ahead and just press your page button until we get to the user settings. Use the toggle to go down to service intervals and press OK. After you're in service intervals, you can go down to reset, press OK again, and reset your time and distance by pressing OK a last time. Go away. There we go. And just like that, your oil life and distance has been reset. Yes, I'm going to check the tire pressure monitoring system. Please stop yelling at me. By the way, if your pressure TPMS sensor is flashing like that, it means that it has more than likely lost connectivity with one of the tires. That is super annoying. Does that really just keep popping up? That is crazy. Wow. Okay, well, I'll tell the customer about that. Anyway, if you'd like to see another video on one of these vehicles, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see y'all next time.